Hello friends, we have come out with a new innovative idea which is titled as Automated Drain Cleaner Machine. The main purpose of our project is to develop a hygienic environment and to clean the drains with less effort and with the proper safety measurements taken while cleaning. We as a team started this project and the team members involved are Asha Jyoti, Nani, Navina, Varshini and Nagasriram. We, in the guidance of our professor, Sir K. Sivaprasad, started doing this project and a lead support was given by our HOD, Sir N. Vijay Sai. Okay, when coming to the project, the main aim is to clean the drains by using this mechanized machine, so-called automated drain cleaning machine. Cleaning of drains has always been a problem. Laborers cleaning drains seems unethical and also leads to a high risk of them catching infections or poisoning due to large amount of waste or chemicals in them. Also, throwing of bottles or plastics and other such objects into the drains leads to narrowing and eventually blockage in drain flow. This leads to overflow in many cases. So here we provide a fully automated drain gutter cleaning mechanism to tackle this modern day drain jamming issues. When coming to the main components that are used in this system are a 12 volts DC motor, a battery, shaft, chain and sprockets, trash lifter, mild steel net, bearing and angular plates and also an inclined tray. The machine is based on the angular frames which are joined by using arc welding. Here you can see the specification of the components that are used in our system. Here you can see the specification of frame, the specification of shaft, and see the specification of chain and sprockets. And here you can see the specification of bearings, motor and battery. Before we begin the fabrication process, we first designed a model on NX software with the help of the Siemens Center at our college. And we did the fabrication as follows. We first cut the L angle plates and then we joined the frame by arc welding and then we fixed the chain and the sprockets and then we welded the lifter and then we fixed the motor, greased the chain drive and we fixed the net and also we applied anti-rust paints to the frame. Now let us go to the working principle of the machine. First and foremostly, the machine is held across the drains. As we start operating the machine by the battery, the motor starts to rotate and transmits the power to the shaft. That makes the shaft to rotate and in turn the sprockets also rotate. Hence the chain attached to the sprockets, the chain also starts to rotate. As the trash lifter is directly attached to the chain, it also simultaneously rotates. This rotating lifter lifts the scrap which was floating on drains. And the lifter drops the waste onto the inclined tray attached at the back of the machine and due to inclination of the tray, the waste drops onto the dustbin placed beside it. This is overall working of the machine. Let us also see some advantages of the machine. The main advantage is it is an automated system. No manual power is required. It costs low. It is easy to maintain and portable and it can be used in almost all drains. We can further implement the machine by incorporating a depth increasing mechanism. Like if we keep at the top position as you see here, it can collect floating waste, but if we decrease or lower the system, it can collect floating as well as some heavy solid waste. By lowering the bottom shaft, the depth of the frame is increased and both the links adjacent to either side of the shaft helps to achieve this mechanism so that we can increase the depth of the machine in case of deep drains. And also we can replace the inclined tray with a belt or chain conveyor, as you can see here. And coming to the most important part, the applications of the machine are: it can be used in almost all types of drains, and it can be used for cleaning small canals, and it can be also used in some industries. Thank you.